to today's video. Today we are unboxing my latest purchases, which is one from Aspinall of London and the other is a second-hand Louis Vuitton item. So we shall start off with the bigger box first, which is from Aspinall. So let me just take the lid off. It's a little bit awkward. So inside you just have your paperwork, and then is the beautiful dust bag. So open it up and we have the Pandora bag. So I have ordered this previously. In fact, I ordered two. I ordered the navy and the yellow, and I couldn't decide which one to have. So the long story is I wanted a Louis Vuitton cam bag. I have a previous video of one that I purchased from Vestiaire. It was the original size, the big vanity case, and I had to send it back. It was a whole drama. As I say, there is a video about it, and I said in that video that I may try and look for an alternative or see if I can buy one of those again, because the new version I think is just a little bit too much money. And the cam bag, when I first looked at it, was 1,670, and it's had that many price increases. Now it's on 1,810. For that much money I could get two, maybe three bags. So this is why I ended up ordering two of these originally, but I couldn't decide which colour, and the blue one was, the handle was a little bit wonky. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to send them back and I'll see if they go down in price, or if I still really keep thinking about them, then I'll order it again. So I looked recently, and this one and the pink one are actually reduced. They were £5.50, now they're £2.80. So I thought, right, I'm going to try it again. So I definitely didn't want the pink one. So the yellow one, which I am super happy about because I loved it the first time I ordered it. It was literally 50-50 between this and the navy, but I'm not really a blue bag kind of girl. So very similar to the cam bag. You've got the zip all the way round, you've got the little top handle, you've got the flat side there. You obviously haven't got padlock, but you do have these little details on the front, which are very much like padlocks. And you've got little loops here to attach the chain. So it opens up very similar. There you go, and it's all quilted inside, which obviously you don't get with the cam bag. And it's a light colour, which means that you can see everything, unlike the cam bag, which I believe is black inside. So your tissue paper, a little card and guarantee on how to look after it and general care, and then you've got the chain. So the chain is a gold chain, and then the woven leather through the middle. Now this is a lovely chain, but another reason why I sent it back originally was because when you pick this up, it is pretty light. You know, it's fine. But as soon as you start putting anything in this bag, it does get quite heavy. And as soon as you put that chain on, it really feels heavy. It slightly digs into your shoulder. So in previous videos, I've shown you a bag strap. In fact, this one hanging up here, which I purchased after I originally purchased this, and I thought, I wonder if that will fit on there, and it does. The loops are just big enough to get that on. So with this being a much wider bag strap, it takes the strain a little bit more and it's not as heavy. So now I can use this with that strap. So the second newest item that I purchased this week is an eBay find. It's pre-loved because obviously this is an old Louis box. So open it up, and the little tag is still inside, and there's the dust bag. So I have another bandeau. So, and this one, I was desperate for a pink one. I have a dark coloured one that I've shown previously, but I was desperate for a pinky shaded one just for spring, summer. I've got a darker one for autumn, winter, and I've got a lighter one there for spring and summer. So this one starts off blue, and then it slowly gets lighter and lighter, and then at the end you've got this beautiful pink. And I think wrapped around my bags, mainly probably the Pochette Métis, I think it will look great. The pink against the monogram will look fab. So those were my two latest purchases. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and comment below, and check out the other videos that I have made, and I hopefully will see you in the next one. Bye!